Welcome to Nagoya Airport. And, ba yan? And we landed in Nagoya. Since time-bound yung trip namin, we decided to not stay here anymore and dumiretso na sa Kyoto. And the way to go to Kyoto from Nagoya Airport is you're going to take one specific train station. And once you're there, transfer lang and then you'll ride the Shinkansen. And nabili namin yung tickets in advance para at least hindi na rin hassle sa amin na bumiyahe around or going to Kyoto. So ito yung pinagstayan namin na hotel. Ang pangalan niya is Hotel A-Best or A-Best. Katabi niya lang yung Double Tree by Hilton. So far so good naman kasi kompleto na. Thank you. Ay. Ay na. May entrance. Wait na agad yung sabon. 2 beds. Itong ano? May galing, sumasara automatic. Kagolan. Then shower and detergent, shampoo, conditioner, etc. Super compact. So we're here at Fushimi Inari Shrine. Ito yung famous na mga torii gates, yung color orange. May kita nyo siya at the end of the video. So itong shrine na to, it's very important sa Japanese people. Basically, dedicated tong shrine kay Inari, Shinto god of rice. Bali, ang history nito, may nag-shoot ng rice cake and then yung rice cake naging swan. Then yung swan, pumunta siya sa taas ng mountain and dun sa mountain na yun, may mga tumubo na rice or bigas. And ayun, since then, dedicated na tong shrine kay Inari. Sarap. And now we're here at Kiyomizu-dera. This was actually founded in the early Heian period, around 778 AD. It was owned by a Buddhist named Kitahoso. So isa siyang pare from Nara. He was a priest from Nara and naka-receive kasi siya ng vision to actually construct the temple next to the Ottawa Spring. This temple is actually known for having Ottawa Spring and having medicinal benefits of that specific water. Tapos itong Koyasu Pagoda na 3-story and also yung viewing platform kung saan makikita nyo yung entirety of Kyoto. And that is the entirety of Kyoto. And dahil nga nasa Japan na kami, we decided na kumain na din ng ramen para naman mas intensyon na namin. But before that, nag-stroll muna kami around this area in Kyoto na maraming shops na pwede nyong pag-shoppingan, of course. Nakabili ako dito actually ng Adidas na shoes na mas mura pag dinownload mo yung app, and then tutulungan ko ng Japanese staff na makomplete yung payment dun sa app para makuha mo yung voucher code. So, ayun. Napakalinis talaga ng Japan. Grabe. And on our next clip, ito naman yung Kyoto Engine Ramen. So, ito, mataas yung 4.5 siya sa Google rating. So, dito na kami kumain and super sarap. Grabe.
So you have to go up.
So, ito na nga, kinakain ko na. Super sarap niya, in fairness. Para siyang sa Mendocoro, pero lighter version. Ang sarap nung soup. Sobra. And then, may bits and pieces ng corn to it. Tapos may chashu. And also, yung noodles, handmade for sure. Kaya super sarap. Panalo.
Miyu to JK.
Tapos video.
Video na.
Bigyan ko lang.
And for our last destination tonight, we went sa Hokkanji Temple. Isa to sa mga pinaka-iconic tourist spots sa buong Kyoto. This is also called as Yasaka Pagoda. And according sa records, this was founded by Prince Shotoku Taishi in dedication to Buddhism or kay Buddha. And this sums up our trip to Kyoto na napakasaya. And I hope may mga nakuha kayong points or any ideas kung paano i-navigate yung buong Kyoto area. And some restaurants or tourist spots na gusto nyong puntahan din. Ayun, salamat sa panonood. Bye! Ay, sorry. Tune in din kayo kasi mag-upload din ako ng Tokyo, Nara, tsaka Osaka vlog. Salamat! Bye!